I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be doing some St. Patrick's Day makeup. I am really excited because I just got this really pretty green eyeshadow palette by Revolution from Ulta. They were having a buy two get one free sale. I'm not sure if that sale is going on everywhere, but the outside is just gorgeous and the colors are really nice. If you're not already subscribed, definitely consider subscribing and becoming part of the Epic Egbert family here. I make videos about homemaking. I love getting into the seasons and different holidays, decorating my house, making fun seasonal recipes. I'm going to be adding seasonal makeup, bring that fun holiday vibe into your makeup. Without further ado, let's get our makeup on. Let's beautify. I'm just going to add some light face makeup, making my skin look even. This is one of my favorite makeup products. It is the Bare Minerals Original Loose Powder Foundation in the shade Fairly Medium. I like to use a smaller Bare Minerals brush to cover up any redness. Then I will go over everything with a Bare Minerals Kabuki style foundation brush. When I keep my face makeup really light, it makes my skin look way more flawless and natural. This is another one of my favorite products. This is the Nars liquid blush in the shade Orgasm. I love how this goes on. I put a little bit on my finger, add a couple dots across the apples of my cheeks and blend it in. Somewhere in the beginning of my makeup routine, I like to use this lip scrub to remove any dead or dry skin from my lips and make them super soft. I love this lip scrub from Sephora. This is in the scent Rose. And then I also got this lip brush from Sephora as well. Next, I am going to apply this Moisturizing Lip Balm by Simple Truth Organics. I like to keep my eyebrows super natural and light. What I've been doing lately is using an Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Taupe. I really like that it has the pencil on one side and then a spoolie brush on the other side. After I apply a little bit of brow pencil, I like to brush them out and then go over everything with a clear brow gel just to keep little hairs perfectly in place. These are the two palettes I'm going to be using today for my eye look. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette and this gorgeous Revolution Pro palette. So Jaded. Just watch out this for you guys here. I also like how beautiful this eyeshadow palette looks. It's got a little bit of bling going on. My favorite shade of this palette is in the top right corner. The matte green is gorgeous. This is my favorite eyeshadow primer. This is the Anastasia eye primer. I also have the Urban Decay Potion. I tend to like this one better, and you only need a teeny tiny itty little bit. The This is one of my favorite things I have for my makeup. It is the Quick Clean Color Switch Brush Cleaner, and it makes it so easy to go between different colors as you're doing your eye makeup. I'm going to start out with this beautiful cream shade and apply it kind of like a base all over my eyelid. For my transition shade, I am going to use the shade Sweet from my Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Tap off any excess. I like to start out with just a little bit of product and then build it up as I go. You can always add more, but it's almost impossible to take it away once you've added too much, so I always like to start light and then build. This is one of the brushes I use every time I do my makeup. It is a fluffy crease brush. I'm just using windshield wiper like motions to apply the eyeshadow. To keep everything looking really nice and blended, I am using another fluffy brush by Morphe to blend out the edges really well. Now this is the fun part, adding a little color. I am dipping into this matte green shade. This brush is a little bit smaller and the bristles are packed closer together, so it's really good when you want to be more precise and add some of that beautiful smoky effect. This brush is even smaller. I really like how precise it is, and I can just get my eyeshadow exactly where I want it. This is a Sephora liquid eyeshadow in the shade Pearl.
I just need you. I know what it is you do.
I am applying it to my lid and then using my finger to blend it out a little bit, applying a little bit more and then blending it out. I'm going to add some of this on top of the liquid liner just to make it really pop. This is a Sephora individual eyeshadow in the shade To the Moon and Back. It's a really beautiful champagne color and it goes with this green so well. I'm going to go back in and use my precision crease brush to build up some of that green shade a little bit more. I'm going to apply it to the crease, blend it into the outer corner of my eye, and then just a little bit under my lower lash line. Make sure everything's blended out really nice. This is the e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick in the shade Perfect Pearl.
Say something I don't know.
This is my favorite eyeliner of all time, the Anastasia liquid liner in True Black. I love the shape of the brush. I'm going to go over my liquid liner with a black eyeshadow. My favorite eyeshadow to do this with is from the Tarte Lip Palette by Tarte in the shade Fashionista. It's kind of a charcoal black. I love the way it goes on and how it really softens the harshness of the liquid liner and creates this beautiful, soft, smoky, sultry look.
Know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you
It's crazy what a difference eyeliner makes.
spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
A little bit under the lower lash line. Add a little bit more lip balm. I like to add my liquid blush somewhere in the beginning of my makeup routine, and then I feel like blush can tend to fade a little bit, so I like to give it just that little extra bit of powder at the end. This is the Nars powder blush in the same shade Orgasm. I like to use two different mascaras, one for the top lashes and one for the lower lashes. I like this Anastasia mascara on my upper lashes. One thing that's really important when you're applying your mascara is scrape off your brush and get any excess mascara off. Tip my head back and then use diagonal brush strokes to coat the eyelashes really well.
I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now.
If you accidentally get a little bit of mascara in a spot you were not intending, take a dry Q-tip and gently pat the area till the mascara is off.
I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight.
I use this CoverGirl mascara on my lower lashes. It has a smaller brush, so I feel like it's easier to apply. Another thing I like to do is after I apply my mascara, especially to my lower eyelashes, I like to use a little spoolie brush and just comb them out and get any clumps out. I am going to go through and use this highlighting powder from Tarte in the shade Stunner. I'm going to use it in the inner corners of my eyes.
Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night.
And just a little bit on the bottom corners of my lower lash line.
In that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know.
This is one of my other all-time favorite makeup products. I have never found a product that could make my skin just look so perfect, and it gives your skin this really beautiful, healthy glow. It's so light on your face. It is the Bare Minerals finishing powder in Pure Radiance. I use a large kabuki style Bare Minerals brush. I like to go through with that same highlighter shade I used on the inner corner of my eyes and apply it.
Beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. until my lungs give out.
Wipe off any excess makeup or lip balm that is on the lips.
You're beautiful.
I like to line my lips with this Bare Minerals lip pencil in the shade Gen Nude Borderline. I am taking a concealer brush and dipping it into my Bare Minerals original powder, just perfecting that area around my lips. Next, I'm taking this liquid lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit by Tarte and applying that to my lips. To add a little bit of shine, I'm going to use this lip gloss from Pat McGrath Labs. This is actually a eye brush, but I found that it works really good for your lips.
I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night.
One thing that is part of my makeup routine, I like to add a little bit of perfume. This perfume smells so good. My husband got it for me for Christmas. It is the Gucci Bamboo. Oh, it smells so good.
All night, I'll sing until my lungs give out your beauty.
My favorite way to finish off any makeup look is to add some false eyelashes. These are my favorite false lashes ever. They are the Ardell Demi Wispies. I just love the shape. They are just basically the perfect false eyelash for me. I usually end up buying like 20 of them on Black Friday when they go on a super sale to stock up for the rest of the year. There are two things that I feel like are an absolute must if you also love false eyelashes. These eyelash applicator tweezers from Sephora and this brush on eyelash glue by Duo. Oh my gosh, I don't understand why they make it in a tube. This is just so much better. Blow on it a little bit so it gets tacky.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something.
And then just to really finish everything off, if there's any spots from the eyelash glue, I just go over those with a little bit more of that black eyeshadow. If you like the video, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Before you leave today, check out some of my other holiday videos. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright.